Bonjour, bienvenue en French classes avec Gurbani Kaur. Je suis votre professeur de français. Welcome to part 3 of numbers. Earlier we did numbers from 0 to 20. Then we did numbers from 20 to 70. And today we will be doing numbers from 70 to 100. Let's start. So here are numbers from 60 to 90. I have not written the numbers because I want you to practice with me. You can take your notebooks to practice. Right. So first let's start from 60. 60, as I have earlier told you, it is soixante. Soixante. Now with 60, when we do counting, what we used to do is, for example, we are writing 62. The answer would be soixante and 2 is the. So 62 is soixante-dix, right? Now we will see how do we do these numbers from 70 onwards, right? So 60 is soixante. Now 70 is soixante-dix. Soixante means 60 and these means 10. So this becomes 70. Soixante-dix. Now as 70 does not have name of its own, it has taken the name from 60, right? You can see it is soixante. So that's why over here it is soixante-dix, 60 plus 10. So over here when we will do the numbers, earlier we were using numbers from 0 to 9, right? Deux, trois, quatre, cinq, like it is 62. And if we want to write 64, it would be soixante. What is 4? 4 is quatre. So it would be soixante-quatre. But over here we will not use these numbers. Now in 70 line we will use numbers after 10. These is written over here. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. Okay, I'll give you example. Now first one is 71. So 70 will write soixante et onze. A I have told you in all one form, 61, 21, 31, 41 we write ET. So ET we have written over here, right? And now will we write a? No. Over here we will use numbers from 11 onwards. 10 is already here. So over here we will use 11. So soixante et onze. So this becomes 60 plus 11 which becomes 71. Soixante et onze. So next number would be 72. What will it be? Soixante. We will have to write the no. Over here we will write douze. 12 is douze. D-O-U-Z-E. You see the difference over here. In 62 it is soixante-dix and in 72 it is soixante-douze. So this is the difference. So remember, in 70 line we will be using numbers from 11 to 19, right? So how will we do this? Please practice side by side. Soixante. What is 14? 14 is quatorze. Soixante-quatorze. So now it is 75. So 75 is 60 plus 15. So 60 is soixante. So we will write soixante. And what is 15? It is quinze. Soixante quinze. Soixante quinze. Next is 76. So this would be 60 plus 16. So this would be soixante. 60 is soixante. And here we will write 16. What is 16 in French? Seize. Soixante, seize. Next is 79, which would be 60 plus 19. So 60 is soixante. And what is 19? It is these enough. Soixante-dix enough. So this was numbers 70 onwards, right? So I hope it is clear. In 70 line we are using numbers from 11 onwards. Now we come to 80. 80 in French is quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts. If you notice over here, I have put one S. Have you seen S anywhere in va, the, va, trois, va, quatre? No. But when we write 80, we write quatre-vingts, which means 4 into 20, which becomes 80. But remember, you have to put this extra S over here while you are writing, right? Quatre-vingts. Clear? Now we come to numbers from 80 onwards. Now, 81 would be quatre-vingts. Now, what is 1? 1 is quatre-vingts. Now, remember 2 points over here. Over here in 80, I have put S, but it doesn't mean everywhere here we'll put S. This S we only put in number 80, nowhere else, right? Point number 2. Over here, if you see, I have not put ET. I have not put ET. Why? From 71 onwards, in 81 and 91, we don't put ET. ET comes only till number 71. Remember? So, remember the 2 points. First, you have to put one S over here and only number 80. Point number 2, after 71, we do not put ET in all 81 and 91. Right? Now, we'll proceed to the next one. Now, 82. 80 is quatre-vingts and 2 is the DEX. Now, if you notice over here, we are using normal numbers from 1 to 9 onwards, right? In 80, we are not using numbers from 11 to 19. Here, we are using numbers from 1 to 9. Quatre-vingts, quatre-vingts, the. So, here it would be quatre-vingts. What is 4? Quatre. Quatre-vingts, quatre. Now, quatre-vingts. What is 5 in French? Cinq. Quatre-vingts, cinq. And please don't forget to put these hyphens in between. Next is 86. So, 80 is quatre-vingts and 6 is six, right? So, basically over here it is 4 into 20, which becomes 80, right? Plus 6, or you can say 80 plus 9, right? So, next one is 89. 80 is quatre-vingts and 9 is 9. So, these are numbers 80 onwards, right? Now, next we shift to the last one, which is 90. 90, again over here, 90 does not have name of its own. So, it takes the name from 80. So, as it is taking the name from 80, again in 90 line, we will be using numbers from 11 onwards. That is ons, dos, tres and so on. Right? So, over here 90 is there. How do we frame 90? It is 4 into 20, which becomes 80 plus 10, which becomes 90. So, here again, so remember in 70 line and in 90 line, we are using numbers from 11 to 19. So, now we will see how do we do 91. 90 is quatre-vingts. Now, ons. What is 11? Ons. Quatre-vingts, ons. And do we put ET over here? No. As I told you, ET comes till only number 71. So, next one is 92. What would be 92? First, we will write quatre-vingts. And what is 12? It is douze. Quatre-vingts, douze. So, this becomes 90 plus 12, which becomes, 80 plus 12, which becomes 92. Next is 94. Quatre-vingts. What is 14? It is quatorze. Quatre-vingts, quatorze. Next is 95, which is quatre-vingts. Now, what is 15? 15 is quinze. Quatre-vingts, quinze. 96. Quatre-vingts. What is 16? It is 16. Quatre-vingts, 16, right? And the last one is 99, which is quatre-vingts. What is 19? 80 plus 19. 80 plus 16. What is 80 plus 19? Quatre-vingts. These nuff. These nuff. So these were the numbers. And last, which is 100. What is 100? 100 is cent. Cent. And the spelling is C-E-N-T. Cent. This is 100. Right? So these were the numbers from 70 to 100. I would like to point on the points to remember. That is 60 is soixante. 70 is taking its name from 60. That's why in 70 we are using numbers from 11 onwards. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, etc. In 80 we are putting one S in only 80. In these numbers over here we will not put any S. Only in 80. Quatre-vingts, which is 4 into 20, and after 71, in 81 and in 91 we do not put ET, and again in 90, as it is taking its name from 80, over here we are using numbers from 11 onward, that is onze, douze, treize, quatorze, etc. And last 100 is 100. Alors, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. If you like this video, if my video helped you, do press the like button, do subscribe to my channel. Merci beaucoup pour regarder. Au revoir.